The trades have everything to offer. They offer a really solid career path that is going to be in demand for the foreseeable future. The best part of the trades is looking back at the day or the year or the week or whatever your duration is, and you can visibly see what you've done. You are responsible for changing the face of the earth in one form or fashion. And with a lot of these dirt projects, that's going to be there for the next 200 years. I don't know what the time duration is, but these aren't projects that are going to last for a short term. These are 200 years later, you can come back and generations will be able to say, my great grandfather did this. One of the most rewarding and fulfilling aspects of this is I'm contacted probably 3 to 7 times a week by either guys that are currently in the industry seeking help in a certain area, making some sort of a decision, whether it's business or personal related, or more common are younger guys getting into the industry that want to get into the industry, they have no idea how. That's what's really rewarding, is being in a position to offer my knowledge and my experience to help them get into the industry, to find a contractor that's going to treat them fairly, to know what their value is so they don't, come into it and get taken advantage of. The really fulfilling and rewarding part is the impact it's having on guys in the industry. My goal is to get more attention put on the trades so that people stop saying, go to college, it's the only way to be successful. As anyone who watches my content knows, I'm a huge advocate of skipping higher education and getting right into the trades so that you start making money now, because we are in demand. And so really my ultimate goal is to get enough status and clout with this channel that I can have a material impact on the industry. I don't want to be a small-time YouTuber that helps 100 people. I want this to grow to the point where you've almost got the clout of a micro, to where when you speak, people will actually stop and listen and start placing value on the trades. That's the ultimate goal.